Hi all, in this video I have recreated Deepika Padukone's skin prep for the 95th Oscars. Obviously I have not used the products that she has used, but I've used the products that I regularly use. Come, let's see how she does it.
She cleanses her face first.
I'm using the Cetaphil face wash.
She next ices her face. For this I have taken ice cubes in a bowl and dip my face for 1 or 2 minutes.
Or you can even take an ice cube and rub it on your face. That will also refresh your face and minimize the pores. The next step she does is moisturizing her face. I don't use a special moisturizer for the face alone. I use my Parachute body lotion. Actually, this is very good because it is lightweight and it has coconut milk and aloe vera. So it's very good for summer. It's not heavy on your skin. So you can try this for your moisturization. So I am taking a little bit of moisturizer in my fingers and I moisturize my face. Deepika uses the sunscreen next, so I have taken my sunscreen.
Aqualogica.
A sunscreen which has an SPF of 50. Components are papaya and vitamin C. So I am going to apply this sunscreen. I am following the 2-finger rule. Dot and massage it into the skin. Don't forget your neck and the area behind the ears. She goes ahead to apply makeup, but I am not applying any makeup. So this is how I have recreated Deepika's skin prep for the 95th Oscar. Hope you found this video interesting. If so, please do like, comment, share and kindly consider subscribing to my channel Sudhavin illam-all about life for simple, basic, practical but effective tips on self-care, self-grooming and skincare. Thanks for watching. Bye till we meet again.